Hello everybody, here I am preparing my lunch for today. Some chicken breast with plantain, garlic, tomato, and of course the salt, pepper, all the seasoning that you feel like using. That's how I cook. Whatever I feel like it, I put in my chicken and it always tastes amazing. And then I'm gonna accompany that with these veggies here. Look at how beautiful they look. Vibrant, very green. My green beans, my broccoli, my cauliflower. And then when the chicken is a little bit more cooked, I'm gonna add half a cup of beans. So it's all measured so you can, let me get it here, see. So you can see it's half a cup of beans. I measure my meals, my food, to make sure that I don't do extra, especially when I'm getting ready for competition. So this is my chicken. It smells fantastic. Ooh, with some plantain, like a few pieces of plantain. It's just like four pieces there, 5. And then my green beans, my beans, I'm gonna add it in a few minutes. My veggies, and here waiting for me is my tea. I said pow, you say wow. Always prepare your meals with love. Make sure that you're eating the right food, because you are what you eat, literally. You wanna look beautiful, eat beautiful food. If you wanna feel great, eat great food. I say pow, you say wow. Pow.